आप तो जानती है किसी भी एक मिडिल क्लास घर में, मिडिल क्लास स्पेशली महाराष्ट्रियन घर में एजुकेशन एक प्राइम फोकस होता है।
हुँ,
यू वांट योर चाइल्ड टू फर्स्ट बी सिक्योर एकेडमिकली एंड देन परस्यू हॉबीज, सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, whether it's sports or music or acting, it's considered extracurricular and
राइट।
hobbies.
हुँ,
So पेरेंट्स का ये होता है कि फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन द मेन academics and then do all of this as a hobby. So I think in the 10th standard and 12th, each time when we choose a stream, I wanted to choose arts. But family may my mausi was a doctor, then my dad is an engineer, my mom is a chemistry lecturer. So everybody kind of convinced me that you will have a secure and a better future if you choose a stream that is more stable and secure,
हुँ,
and all these are hobbies, keep doing it whenever you want.
राइट।
So I I was obedient. 10th, I was like, okay, let me do what they're saying. 12th, again, I agreed, okay,
हुँ,
let me do what they're saying because they know better. And once my stream was chosen, once I have done my BDS,
हुँ,
so once I got my admission there, I realized that, this is never ending. मुझे हमेशा बोला जाएगा, ये कर लो, बाद में तुम्हें जो चाहिए वो
वो
करो,
कर लो।
पहले ये करो. And I was like, this will just mean that first do this and then do that, and then maybe towards the end of my life I will have few years left to exercise my passion, which is not fair to myself. So उस वक्त थोड़ी हिम्मत कर ली,
हुँ,
खुद से पूछा कि क्या करना है, और अंदर से बहुत जोर से आवाज आई कि ये करना है. You're neglecting me. I've been telling you at regular intervals in your life that I want to pursue
हुँ,
something creative. And acting, that time I thought, I mean, it was a very instinctive call, but I didn't pursue it immediately.
हुँ,
जैसे हम किसी भी विषय में अगर if we are doing any job, we first take training in that job. If you're a doctor, you train for like 5 years. You're engineer, you train for like 4 years, 5 years. Any stream you train, right? And then you get into it. Even the singers, they do riyaz for
हुँ,
like years and years. Sportsmen, they do a lot of riyaz. So I find it unfair to think that you want to become an actor and you just jump in and then you think you'll get work. That happens with few people are lucky. But when I thought of wanting to pursue acting, uh, I first decided to test myself. मतलब मैं कितने पानी में हूँ. ये तो ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान में हर दूसरा आदमी एक्टर बनना चाहता है.
हुँ,
इट्स अ वेरी ग्लैमरस प्रोफेशन. इट्स वेरी, एंटरटेनमेंट इज कंज्यूम्ड वेरी ह्यूजली इन इंडिया.
हुँ,
So it has an influence, and that's why you're more, you get impressed and you want to probably do that. So I first tested myself that is this a real calling, is this a very solid intuition, or is this just a passing phase, like how once I wanted to be an air hostess, a teacher? Is it that?